Can you see my screen now? Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, so the thing here, what I explained to you about Lazada or the parcel that should come to you is exactly the same like this line. So you already order something or you try to do some kind of operation, but you did not save the output of that operation. So at the end of the day, the parcel is not inside your house, and the operation that you have done in the string, you have not saved it, so it is gone with the wind. Yes, you have done some operation, but there is no outcome. So when you try to print S again, did you try to run the code?
Okay.
Did you try to
Yeah,
run?
when I run the code, I get just Snoop Dogg.
Only Snoop or Snoop Dogg,
Snoop Dogg.
and not Snoop.
No, I got Snoop Dogg.
Okay, so it means that when you try to do the substring, it's not saved, or you don't see the output of it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what is the reason?
Uh, because it's like you're overwriting it.
You did not save the output. So, okay, there is one trick that can
Yeah.
actually help you to see the output. Put S equal. So at this exact line, let me put it here so that you are not confused. Okay. Here we put equal S. Can you add these two?
Okay.
And then run.
Yeah, then you only get Snoop.
Okay, so only these two, I managed to get the output of substring. I already save it. So it means that I'm telling him get whatever output from this substring operation and say and replace the content of S in the memory, replace Snoop Dogg with Snoop. And then when he print, then he will print Snoop. So now it makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And the same goes here. Can you try to understand this code? Don't write it. Just try to have a look and see if you can understand it.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
Clear?
Yep.
Okay. So this is an exercise. So
Yeah.
what we will try to do here is that um, we will create a method that is called print name. This method will take an input from the keyboard, but it will use next line. Why? Because
Okay.
it will take a string that have spaces in between. So you will use console.nextLine and you will save the output in a string that is called full name.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, what is required from you is that you print the output as you separate the name
Okay. Yeah.
into Mitchell Benjamin Smith.
Okay.
Is it easy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can try.
Yes. Okay. You can try. Good. Please, you can share your screen. Let me see if I allow you. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Can I see the The lab.
Yeah, sure. Give me a second. It is in your WhatsApp.
Oh, okay. 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 Uh, yeah. Yeah. Take it from here. It's a public setup provider. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Delete this. Hmm. 0 to 5.
No, that isn't good. 6 up. What? Oh, what's the error?
So the problem normally inside main, we cannot, inside the method main, we cannot
Oh my
define new
God.
methods. We have to take this
Yeah.
out. Okay, good.
Oh yeah. Mm. I just put next, right? Or do I have to put next?
He asked you to put next line, but you can try with next.
Oh yeah, I hate
So
doing
next,
line.
yeah, so next it will take a string, but it will not take a string with spaces in between. So that's the
Yeah.
difference between next and next line. So now we need to call the full name, your function name. You need to call the method to be able to execute it. Now you defined it, but without calling it, it will
right.
not. Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. I put like Benjamin. Then Michael, right? Michael. Then Benjamin. Oh, let me just then mm, can I just do this whenever I can?
Just be aware that you are when you're doing like that, you are modifying the original string. So you can try, but
Mm. Wait, let me just okay. I want to do it for just this. I forget already. I want to do it. 16. Remember. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay. How do I get just the second name, just the third name?
Mm, it's challenging, is it?
A bit.
Nola, you are so smart. Who said? I'm not
Just this
picking
one.
fun. It's true. You are smart. That
Yeah.
it is just a
Okay.
little trick. Try to
Yeah.
So okay, now my question to you now.
Yeah.
After line 148, what is the
Yeah.
content of the S?
Oh, it's Michael.
So
Like
in this
MSC.
line, you are trying to get something out of Michael, which is
Mm,
Benjamin, but there is no presence of Benjamin
right.
anymore. So you have to solve the problem on line
Okay.
148
Okay.
first.
Okay. Then
Uh-huh. Excellent, excellent, man. You're excellent. Yes. Um. Okay.
148 is no. Oh. Yeah, what else? Right.
Excellent, excellent. But my only comment here that
Yeah.
when you use variables, please use a meaningful variable. This is
Oh,
instead
okay.
of y,
Okay.
use middle. Instead of x, use first.
Eh, yeah.
This is really what differs a good programmer from a bad one. Yes,
Yeah.
good.
Oh,
Z, X, and Y. All of them
yeah.
need to be changed.
Oh,
Excellent,
okay.
excellent, excellent. Really excellent. Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me- I will don't stop sharing. I will
Okay.
just send you a second uh, lab because this will be the last lab in the class of strings. If we still have time, then we can start new one. Okay, then take this. I already sent it.
Mm.
He explained to you what you need to do actually with a string. So you need to take the first letter and put it at the end of the word and
Yeah,
add
yeah.
AY. Mhm.
This is difficult. Okay.
With your level, I wouldn't say that this is difficult. With your skill set, not skill set, but your IQ, I would say, to be more accurate.
Mm. Yeah. So first, okay, I need the word. Then like this. I need first I need string letter. You take the first letter. And then print out. Yeah. Now I need to put it at the back. So first. Need to add- no. Remove it. If I do this means it'll just be with both first letter at the start and at the end. Set up. Where is that up? 139. Yeah. What's this here?
Stop.
Yes. We'll get the letter at the front of the back, right? So there's the PP here. Yeah, PP. I need to remove this one first. If I cannot be right. Don't work. How do I remove the letter?
Maybe you need to
Okay.
think another way around. You don't need to really remove. Maybe you need to just only pick or choose using substring part of the string itself.
But oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Okay, I can do okay, can do this. And I can call it base word equal section 1 string. And then yeah, and base word. That's first letter. So I don't need I don't need this. Okay. Then,
Excellent.
yeah. Oh, actually,
On the same line, also inside the
Yes.
print line, you can still add also another plus and
oh, I can't just simply add. Okay. I need a variable. Okay, so I can just put here string. Let's say string.
trailer or trail.
Yeah. So, I just put equals 8. Oh,
You will still get an error.
okay. How
Be-
come?
You know why?
How come?
Any string need to be in between double quotation.
Yeah. Yeah. So should I just wait? I just do like that.
Yes, you can do that. Yes,
I don't need this.
it's true. Both of them is
Yeah.
okay. Except that you need
Oh.
to add plus.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Excellent. So, Ashvin, actually, I'm really amazed with your speed and with the way you think. My only concern about
Okay.
you,
Yeah.
because again, if I don't tell you the truth, I
Yeah.
will not be able to help you, and you will not help
Yeah.
yourself. The
Yeah.
only comment that I have on you is that,
Mm.
and this is normal with the smart people. So don't think that you
Mm.
are different from others.
Yeah.
Most of the
Yeah.
smart people that I have seen, they tend to be slightly lazy, and I am seeing this a little bit in you. It means that
Okay. Okay.
when you copy the code from one line to another,
Yeah.
you're how to say, you're not training your brain to really remember the code. Yes, you're able to copy and paste, but then the practice that to help your mind to remember and to reinforce the knowledge itself is not there. So I prefer that you still, you can copy and paste in the class, no problem, just to save the time. But
Yeah.
outside the class, I please ask
Okay.
you to really write the code on your own.
Okay.
When you do
Okay.
that, you will
Okay.
remember. Okay,
Okay.
good. So
Yeah.
let me share then. So I got something to share with you. This is an exercise. The exercise, of course, need to be challenging to be able to challenge your mind. You will not do
Yeah.
it. This is a kind of part of the homework.
Yeah.
So this is how to say, what we expect out from this exercise. So
Yeah.
we will print good morning, good evening. Please enter your first name and last name. So the user will enter his name, and then he will enter the date, and then he
Yeah.
will enter what kind of movie. Then he will write it, and then how many tickets, and what is the price, and then he will enter his debit card number. Okay, he will write it all, and then he will enter his PIN for the card number. But then your job is to actually print out the receipt. So this is the receipt. So this is what you're going to print out. So, and the instruction to do this kind of printing will be actually is given to you in the one of the pages before the exercise. But just as you can see here, let me see here. So maybe this is yeah. So he say account, and then he put the credit card. He prints the credit card, but he only print what? He print only the last 4 digits, and he
Yeah.
hides all the other ones. Okay.
Yeah.
The movie. Okay, he saved the name of the movie, and he just printed the number of tickets. He take it from 4, and he just print it also, and the price is the same. There is nothing challenging here. Okay.
Yeah.
But then you see what he have done here. This is kind of arithmetic operation. He multiply 4 by the price of each ticket, and then he get the total here. Okay. So how you create that also it is described. So it is part of the name. He take part of the name, and then he he put it together with a number. Okay. So that is described. But let me take you out from here. So it needs some thinking, but I think with your ability, it should be fine. Now, let
Okay.
me, you can see my screen, am I right? Oh, not yet.
No, not yet. Okay. Now I can see.
Okay, so we have some operators that we are able to use actually to test equality. Like here we test equality. So we said 1 plus 1, is it equal to or not? This is 2 equals, huh? This is testing the non-equality. So is it 3.2 not equal 2.5? It is true. Okay. So we can also do that with the less than, greater than, less than or equal, and bigger than or equal. So is it 126 less than or equal 100? It's false. It's
Yeah.
not. It's not less than. So what about 5.0 bigger than or equal 5?
Yeah, it's true.
It is true.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you try to print that, I would say if you write that 2 lines, then and you put this equality checking, then it will tell you false because x is not really equal 3. 2 is not equal 3. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ajveen, I will leave that as part of homework to really try it and test it. But I want
Okay.
to tell you one thing as a start. We only have a few minutes, but
Yeah.
I would like to use them here.
Okay.
We have something called if statement. This if
Yeah.
statement it's something that add intelligence to your code. So
It's
we
like
would like to. Have you seen before?
Yeah, where I did the what's it called, huh? The like when you draw that diamond for decision, then you have the parallelogram, like when you draw this the
Okay.
flowchart. Yeah.
Exactly. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
So do you understand what this line is doing?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And why do you think we will not get an output from that line here?
Because it is less than 1.9. And you
Okay.
didn't like they didn't add another line saying what to do if it is less.
Okay. So we are able to
Yeah.
write a group of if statement on top of each other.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we need
Okay.
to be really very careful from that. And
Mm.
also, have you seen that if else
Yeah.
before?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. So do you understand now these lines?
Yeah.
And why he's going to print that?
Because his GPA is more than or equal to 2.
Okay, excellent. What about here?
Yeah, here it is less than 2, so you get the else, which is application denied.
Okay, good. So
Yeah.
look at this code, and this is the last page that we're going to.
Yeah.
There is something wrong with that.
Okay. If more than 90, get an A. More than 80, get B. More than equal to 17. There is no else statement.
It is true, but what would be the
Oh no, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Less than 60. Okay. Okay. This is okay. What?
It is. I mean, programmatically, it is okay. But if we talk about the logic sense, so if the percent is 85, what is going to be printed out?
You gotta be
supposed to be B only, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you
in reality, I will get C, D, and F also.
Yeah.
No, I mean F no, but until here
you get C and D. Yeah.
Yes, C and D. Yes.
Yeah.
So do you understand now why is it wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will continue that slide on the next class.
Okay.
And please don't forget the previous homework and the current one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks a lot for your time.
Okay,
Take care.
you too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Sir.
Yes, tell me.
This Tuesday, I won't be able to have class. So
Okay.
can we move that Tuesday class to any other day, maybe Thursday or something? Just for
Yes.
this week. Yeah.
Yes, we can do that. Yes, no problem.
Okay.
We can move it to Thursday. Is it fine?
Okay, yeah, sure. What time?
Same. Oh, let's say
3 o'clock?
3. Yeah.
Okay,
3.
okay, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Okay, take care.
Yeah. Okay. You too.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.